What's the difference between a succession plan and a replacement plan? A replacement plan means somebody had a medical emergency, or they won the lottery and they quit the next day, or heck, they would just like to take a vacation for a week and not feel obligated to attend Zoom meetings or answer phone calls. A replacement plan means you have somebody in the organization who can cover the major responsibilities and has the competence to make the right decisions and keep the department running smoothly in the absence of its regular leader. Think about a restaurant. If you've ever worked in a restaurant, and who among us hasn't, you usually have a manager and 2 or 3 assistant managers, right? Do the assistant managers run shifts by themselves? You bet. Are they responsible for all the things? Do they interview and hire, run payroll, attend management meetings? No. They're an excellent replacement, but they don't have all the skills or knowledge needed to be the leader, the manager. Could one of those assistant managers become a manager? Absolutely. In our hypothetical restaurant, let's say your manager moves on to a regional manager job. You don't want to have to go outside the company to find a new manager because you didn't have the forethought to train up a successor. So really you need both, the break the glass in case of an emergency person who can keep things running, and a successor who can step into the role without a hiccup. Now, I will say that one of the hiccups associated with having a fully trained successor is that they can often leapfrog. Let's say our hypothetical restaurant opens a new restaurant in a neighboring town. You have a fully trained manager in the waiting, so you move that person to the new restaurant. Now you're left without a successor in the original restaurant. You have to start the development process again. Or your designated successor leaves you for a competitor because they have the opportunity to become a manager right now. Oh, well, these things happen. That's no reason not to have fully capable and trained people at the ready. You are truly shooting yourself in the foot if you think, but what if we train them and they leave? We'll just take our chances. Having a ready and capable successor for every key role in your organization is like having insurance. Sometimes you need it, most times you don't, but you don't want to run the risk of not having it.